Hello guys! Today we will be making a zombie avatar in Roblox Brookhaven. Yeah, you heard it right. The zombie avatar will look something like this. So, let's get started. Okay, we're in the game now. Let's make our zombie avatar. So the first thing you want to do is click Avatar Editor. Bro, that bus almost killed me. Anyways, click Avatar Editor. Now let's make the zombie avatar first. Finally, I'm done. And we are going to make it move like this. So let's do it. Pick a house. I picked this one. Pick this house. Wait until it successfully loads. Go inside it. Play on the game. Delete your house. Click the button or the plus button one time. Now it should look like this. But do not jump because this will happen.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.